Okay guys, so in this video you're going to be learning how to copy any thumbnail. You know, when it comes to editing videos or posting videos on YouTube, thumbnail is very important. So what you have to do is to at least get a YouTuber, like a top YouTuber in mind, that her thumbnails are getting the views, and you're really like, you anytime you see the person's thumbnail, it's really giving. So one of the persons I admire so much when it comes to her thumbnails and her videos gets massive views is Chiamaka Okoli. So I'm going to go over to one of her thumbnails right now that we are going to copy. Okay, so this is one of the easiest way to achieve a beautiful thumbnail that is going to do massively well. Like this thumbnail here, it was posted 2 weeks ago and she has gotten about 3.9k views on this particular thumbnail. So what I have to do now is to just copy the URL of this particular video. All you have to do is to copy it, then you head over to your Play Store. Okay, I'm going to head over to my Play Store now, and you're going to download U-Tags. Okay, my own is already downloaded. Just type U-Tags in your search bar on Play Store, and I'll click on open. After installing it, all you have to do is to click on open, then you click on get tags. We are not going for suggest keywords, find competitors, backlinks, tags of the day, more. I'm going to explain more about how to utilize this particular app for you, but for today it's how to get your favorite YouTuber thumbnail. That's what we are basically going for today. So you're going to click here to paste the URL, the link to have video that you copied here. You're going to just click on it here and click on search. Okay, so we're just going to give that a little time and come over here. Voila, here is the thumbnail. They say select thumbnail size to download, so we're just going to download the standard size. Okay, so it's waiting to download, so I'm going to check in my gallery now to know. Okay, it has finished downloading. All right, so I'm going to go to my gallery and show you that the thumbnail has been downloaded already. So here is my gallery. You can see here is the thumbnail that is saved on my phone's gallery. So the next app we are going to be going for is Meta AI. If you don't, this is it. If you don't have Meta AI, you go and download it from Play Store. You click on Meta AI. You click on this plus sign and click on photo library. Then you click on the image you download, that thumbnail that you just downloaded. You click on it and tell Meta AI to just tell it to remove the picture of this lady from the image. Okay, that's just what you have to tell Meta AI. So after telling this to Meta AI, just wait for a few seconds and it's going to remove that image for you. So let's just give it some time. Okay, it's actually coming up. All right, so can you see this? We've gotten a clear background that the image of the lady has been removed. So all you have to do now is you can go use CapCut or Canva. Just import this, you crop out. You see the logo here that I'm highlighting. Just crop it to fit this size on your phone. You just insert your own image here. You add a few touch, like you can just add some elements, to just give it a new look. You can just, it makes thumbnail making so easy. You click here to save it on your phone and use it to upload your videos, and the thumbnail is going to be given. You're going to get it. Like, you can use it for any thumbnail. Just go and copy it, copy the URL, go to that place and download it to your phone. Use Meta AI, remove the image, you put your own image there, and the deal is done.